Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to see question set number 30. In the previous videos we studied about many question sets until question set number 29. So let's see question set 30. So these are the questions that they have given. There are 6 questions. Let's see these questions one by one. So the first question, find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11. They have told us to find out the number of letters in the full name. Okay, for example we can say Sahan. If we say Sahan, there are so if we say Sahan, let's take this is his full name, and we can find out the number of letters are there in his name. So you can say 1 2 3 4 5. So there are 5 characters in his name. That means there are 5 letters in his name. So that's what they have told us to find out here. To find out the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade level. So this is the question they have given. So let's write the query for that one. I'm going to write the query first and then I'll explain the query. But this is the query for the first question. So if you see here, we have used a new keyword called length. So we use this keyword to find out the characters in a particular value. So this helps to find out the characters in a particular value. So in this case, we have used the keyword length, and inside the brackets we have given the student's first name. Okay. So in the previous video we studied about a keyword called round. So when we use that keyword, we can give two parameters. But in this case, but when we use this keyword called length, we can only give one parameter. So that's why I have given two keyword. I have given the same keyword twice, here and here, to get the first name and the last name of the student. So briefly, this keyword called length helps us to get the total number of characters of the particular value we give in the particular value of the parameter we give here inside the brackets. So this is the query for the first one. Let's execute this. So you can see here. So in our database there are 8 students registered. So you can see here we got 8 results. So the first student, so there are 15 characters in the first name, in the full name of the first student, and in the second student have 16 characters in his full name. The third one has 22 characters. The fourth one has 11 characters. Like that, we have find out all the like that we have find out all the number of characters of all our students. So this is the answer for the first question. So let's see the second one. Sinhala language and literature. Find the number of letters in this word. So in this question they have told us to find the number of letters in this word. So it's easy. Let's do that one also. So this is the query for the second question. So when we see that When we look at the question again, they have told us to find out the length of the word. Particular word they have given. So this is the word they gave us. So we need to find out the length. That means the number of characters in this particular word. So this is the query. Let's execute. So you can see here there are 29 characters, 29 letters in this word. So that's what we have found out using this query. So let's go to the third one. Find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11A. So the third one is same as this first one. So in the first one we studied, uh, in the first one we find out the number of letters in the full name of all grade 11 students. But in the third one they are asking the grade 11A class students uh, full name. But in the third question they are asking the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11A. Okay, so let's write the query for that one too. So guys, this is the query for the third question. So when we look at the query, you can see here we have used the length keyword with the parameter inside the brackets. So in this case we need to find out the number of characters, number of letters in the student's full name. So we have added the first name and the last name using the keyword called length. After that we have joined the class table because we are giving a that condition telling that the class name should be 11A. So this is the query. Let's execute this. So you can see here there are 4 students in class 11A. First, there are 4 students in class 11A, and we have got, and the first student has 15 characters in his full name. Second one has 22 characters. Third one 11 characters, and the fourth one have 17 characters. So this is the answer for the third question. Let's move on to the fourth one. Prepare the first name of all grade 11B students in capital letters. So in this question, they have told us to prepare. That means we need to get the results of the grade 11B students name in capital letters. Okay. So we are using a new keyword. We are using a new keyword for that. So let's write the query for that one also. So guys, this is the query for the fourth question. So you can see here we have used the keyword called upper. So this keyword helps us to get the results in capital letters. Okay. If we want to get the results in capital letters, we can use this keyword upper and give the parameter. That means the value we want to get in a capital letter. So in this case, we need to get the results in capital of the first name of the student. That's why I have given the first name. After that I have joined the class table because I am given condition telling that we need to get the results of the 11B students. So this is the query. Let's execute. So you can see here we got all the names, all 4 names in capital letters. Madara, Kasun, Amila, Nisansala, everyone in uppercase. That means in the capital letters. So this is the answer for the fourth question. Let's see the fifth one. Prepare the names of all subjects in simple letters. Okay. In the fifth question, they have told us to get the results in simple letters, but in the fourth one, they have told us to get the results in capital letters. So let's do the fifth one. So you can see here we have used the keyword called lower. Okay, so this keyword helps us to get the results in simple letters. So in the first question we saw, if we need to get the results in capital letters, we used a keyword called upper. But if we need to get the results in simple letters, we need to use this keyword called lower. Lower, and we need to give the parameter inside the bracket. So in this question, they have told us to get the results of the subject names. That means we need to get the results. We need to get the subject names in simple letters. So that's what I have written here. Let's execute this. So you can see here we we got all the subjects in simple letters. Even the first letter is also simple. So this is the answer for the fifth question. Let's move on to the last one. Find the average of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses, student in class 11A in all term examinations in the subject of science. In this question, they have told us to find out the average of the marks. Okay, and they have told us, they have given us a condition saying that we need to find out the marks of Amanda Moses, and she is in class 11A, and it should be all term. That means it should not be specifically first term or second term, it should be both. And after that, they have given the subject as science. So let's write the query for that one. So guys, this is the query for the final question. So if you come to the first line, you can see here we have used the keyword called AVG. So this keyword helps us to find out the average of the parameter we have given here. So in this case, we have given the parameter as the mark, because we need to find out the average of the particular student's mark. So we studied about this keyword in the previous video as well. If you didn't watch that, you can watch that. You can also watch that by clicking the link above. So if you come here again, we have joined three tables. First of all, student table, class table, and the subject table. So we have joined the student table because we need to find out a particular student called Amanda Moses. And we have joined the class table because we need to find out the students from class 11A. And finally, we have joined the subject table because the subject we are finding should be science. So that's why we have joined this table. After after that, when you come to this section, we have given four conditions telling that the student's first name should be Amanda, and the last name should be Moses. And the class name should be 11A, and the subject name should be science. So this is the query for the final and the sixth question. Let's execute this. So you can see here the average mark of Amanda Moses in the science subject is 80. So she has got 80 as the average mark. So this is the answer for the sixth question. So according to question set number 30, we studied new keywords, and also According to the question set number 30, we studied about new keywords and we did all the questions they have given. So let's meet in the next video with question set number 31.